The French-made digital air fryer is an innovative appliance that lets you cook a variety of meals quickly, easily and deliciously. You can fry, grill, bake or roast anything from French fries and onion rings to steaks, cakes and vegetables etc. Using dynamic airflow technology to circulate hot air inside, the FrenchMay Air Fryer cooks foods quickly and evenly with little to no preheating required. Healthy cooking, eat fried food without the guilt and extra calories. Digital touchscreen control panel with LED display. Easy control and elegant design. Can hold up to 7 quarts of fresh or frozen food. Add your ingredients, and enjoy your meal in minutes. Features: powerful air frying technology with rapid hot air circulation, large 3.7 cutie. Basket has capacity of up to 2 pounds. Food, enough for a family of 4. Temperature control up to 400° Fahrenheit, timer up to 30 minutes. No oil smell, no splatter, no mess. Multifunctional and versatile, for frying, baking, grilling and roasting, with little to no oil added. Cool touch housing and handle removable parts are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Details: capacity, volume, 3.7 quarts. Features: adjustable thermostat, 180 to 400° Fahrenheit, 60-minute timer. Material: metal, plastic, stainless steel. Material safety, FDA approval and PFOAs free. Care and cleaning, dishwasher safe parts. Safety features: auto shut off, cool touch exterior, non-slip base, built-in timer, cool touch exterior and handles, non-stick interior, on indicator light. Temperature controls, power, max 1500 watts, product height, 14.38 in, product weight, 13.4 pounds. Includes air fryer, instruction manual, recipes/cookbook, ETL listed, BPA free, FDA approved.